Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the platform, so your mileage may vary. Today we're taking a look at NewRetirement.com, a comprehensive online platform designed to help you plan for your financial future. Whether you're just starting to think about retirement or you're already in the midst of it, NewRetirement offers a suite of tools and resources to guide you through the process. From budgeting and investment analysis to Social Security optimization and long-term care planning, the site aims to provide a holistic approach to retirement planning. One of the standout features is the platform's retirement planner, which allows you to create detailed projections based on your current financial situation, estimated expenses, and retirement goals. You can input various scenarios, adjusting factors like income, investment returns, and inflation to see how they impact your overall plan. This level of customization allows you to truly tailor your strategy and make informed decisions. Beyond the core planning tools, NewRetirement also provides access to a wealth of educational materials, including articles, guides, and even personalized advice from financial advisors. The platform covers a wide range of topics, from managing debt and maximizing savings to understanding different investment strategies and navigating the complexities of healthcare in retirement. This educational component is invaluable for empowering users to take control of their financial well-being. For those seeking a more hands-on approach, NewRetirement offers various planning packages that provide personalized support from certified financial planners. These packages provide a higher level of guidance and can be especially helpful for individuals with complex financial situations or those who simply prefer professional assistance. Overall, NewRetirement.com offers a robust platform for individuals looking to take a proactive approach to retirement planning. With its comprehensive tools, educational resources, and optional professional support, the site provides a valuable resource for navigating the many facets of retirement and securing your financial future. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning. Check out the link in the description below.